My good people, welcome to ICO reviews and thank you for watching my videos. I'm going to keep it brief and I'm going to give you the information you need on these ICO reviews now. But please note, everything I'm going to say in this video is strictly my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. Make your own decision. Now, this is Axnet ICO reviews. Now, there's something I really like about Axnet that I want you to know about. Is they are launching their own exchange. In fact, the exchange is ready just to start working. Now, let's just go through the website and let's see. A truly centralized and decentralized exchange, and they have the ICO. You can get a 10% now, and the ICO is coming to an end soon. So, and you can see the coin they are listing already, Zilliqa, Binance Coin, and all the rest. And they will be having a US dollar market. They have Ethereum market here. You can see. I mean, these guys are serious. They are ready. And now, let me show you something else again. Okay. So let's go here. Voila. What is this? This is an exchange ready. And information reaching me is that by September 1, that's about 7 or 8 days from now, this exchange will start working. You know, most of the exchange that exists, they will start an ICO, they will raise money, and you will have to wait for months before the exchange start working. But this exchange is already ready. The ICO is finishing and the exchange is starting immediately, and that is awesome. And that means you investing in the ICO, you just don't have to wait for a long time to be able to sell your coin. And I really love that, because I don't want to invest in a China egg ICO, the kind of ICO you get involved with, that after you get involved with it, 1 year, 6 months, you've not been able to sell your token. It doesn't make sense. You've not been able to keep some of them you want to keep. I mean, you just don't know what is wrong with the ICO. But I believe if you invest in this kind of ICO, then you don't have to keep your token for a long time if you want to sell part of them or whatever you want to do with it. But don't forget, it's my personal opinion. And you can see they have a number of coins they're listing on it. SNT is there. You can see Mithril is there. I mean, just check them out. Check them out. You know. Now, let's just go briefly and let's check the team member behind it. Now, these are the guys behind it: Genji Sakamoto, Mazim Igorevich, Ziloxum, one after another. You can see them here. You can see them here. So I believe this team are really huge and they know what they're doing. I've checked them out one after another. I've taken my time to go through them. I believe they are really experienced, and I believe this exchange should be a good one, a huge one indeed. Now let's check the white paper. The white paper is 26-page white paper, carefully put together. And one thing I'm really impressed about what they say in the white paper is that they will work on customer care. That when you have issues with the exchange, you have issues with your token or whatever, they will reply immediately. And it should be someone who is an expert that's going to reply you. I know that happens a lot in exchange, because honestly, most exchange treat us like a crap. You know, you have issues. Sometimes you send a token from one place. So I have an issue where I send a token to another to a wallet address, and the token was not delivered, and I have to email the exchange. You know, it took almost a week or more than a week before they could be able to reply me. I mean, that is unfair. We help them to survive. They get money from us for trading. It's a two-way thing. But they deserve to reply us on time. Now, if Axnet keep to their promise, this asset exchange network is going to be awesome, because when you have issues and they reply you on time, that you're gonna love that for sure. They are available on Twitter. You can join them. I'm following now. You can see I'm following Twitter, so you can follow them on Twitter and you can get more information from them, more news here. You can send tweets to them here. I mean, so I recommend you check them out on Twitter. I recommend you go through the white paper. That gives you more idea of what it's all about. And they have 9,130 members on their Telegram. That is huge. I really love that. I love that. I love that. Now, having put all these things together, I really believe Axnet is a good one. It's really a good exchange. And what I really love is the fact that this exchange is ready for work, it's ready to launch. And by September 1, in a week time, you got to start using this exchange. I really love that about it. So you know what? I'm going to leave the link down below for the ICO. So I will leave the link down below and feel free to sign up for the ICO. But please do not forget, everything I've said is strictly my personal opinion. Read the white paper and make your decision. Thank you for watching my video. I really love you guys. Thank you a million times. And please, before you go, please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. I'm not going to bring more videos for you. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.